nice headphones for girls. They're blue and pink, as you can see. And so now I'm going to let Naomi unbox. Come on, Naomi. Here are the headphones. They are very soft and comfortable to wear. Here they have buttons where you can control from. And if you have another pair of these, you can plug this in and you plug it into the other headphones, and then you can hear what the other person's listening to, which is very, very cool. And I was quite shocked when I heard about this. Okay. And these are wireless, but we still haven't figured out how to use them on the iPad, so we're going to use the plug today. Until you know how to use it, you can just plug it in and use them as if they are non-wireless headphones. And they can also extend for the shape of your head.
An iPad?
Yes, and Naomi now can listen to what she likes, music. Here we've got the charger, so you must, when you charge, you can't use the headphones, so you must remember that. And here you've got a warranty card, and it says, anyone who purchases RIWBOX product from Amazon will receive 1 year warranty service registration by emailing the support RIWBOX.com within 1 week. Don't forget to offer your order number. And here we've got some more information. When you turn your headphones on, you can hear the robot speaking, which is very funny. Yeah, Naomi really thinks it's funny. Okay, Naomi, now we have to pause your TV. And now we're going to take a look at these headphones and what to do to control these. So you've got, here's some buttons to make it louder or quieter. You want louder? Okay. And the M is for mode, so you can change the mode. Here there is a button to turn it on. Naomi now is going back to watching TV. She really likes her new headphones. And it has excellent battery performance. You can use them on computer, TV, iPad, smartphone, MP3, MP4. And it protects children's hearing, improves children's attention, and it helps caring for children's health. Maybe. Okay, here's my box. Mine are not wireless, they have a wire. They're still angel wings. They have a cable. Mine are very similar to these ones. It's just that they're more like oval. These ones are round. But still, I really like it. And now, wait a bit, because I can barely hear anything with my headphones on. Okay, so Naomi now is going to listen to what I'm going to be listening. Okay, so Naomi, okay, and plug it into your iPad. Okay, now I'm going to plug in my iPad to Naomi's, because my one's turned off. And now we can listen to the same thing at once. Can you hear it, Naomi? Wow, this is really cool. I haven't tried doing this now, so it's really cool. And Naomi's really shocked, aren't you, Naomi? You want to watch it? And you can also bend these to make them fit into the box. Okay, so my one isn't very different from Naomi's. It just has a cable. Yes, everything that Naomi has, I guess. And it's CS6 and Naomi's BT05. So Naomi's newer, mine one's a bit older. But mine are new because you can purchase these off Amazon if you really like them. And I hope you do like them. Thank you RIWBOX for sponsoring us, and I hope you guys like this video, and if you wish you can buy. Oh yeah, Naomi's just fidgeting with things. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and if you really liked it, please give a like, share and subscribe if you haven't, and hit that notification bell.
Pink
Bye.
Bye.
See you in our next video. Bye.